In the age of digital transactions, PayPal reigns supreme as a trusted online payment platform. But for newcomers, a crucial question arises. Do I need a bank account for PayPal? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on how you plan to use your PayPal account. Signing up and receiving funds. Bank account not mandatory. The good news is, creating a basic PayPal account doesn't require linking a bank account. You can register with just your email address and password, allowing you to receive money from others. This makes PayPal ideal for freelancers, online vendors, or simply receiving gifts from friends and family. Sending payments and withdrawing funds. Where the bank comes in, however, sending money through PayPal or withdrawing your balance to cash becomes challenging without a linked bank account. You can use debit or credit cards for these purposes, but they usually incur transaction fees. A linked bank account offers faster transfers, lower fees, and a smoother overall experience. The perks of linking a bank account: beyond convenience. While convenience is a major advantage, the benefits of linking a bank account go beyond just sending and receiving funds. Here are some additional perks. Enhanced security. Linking your bank account helps verify your identity, adding an extra layer of protection against fraudulent activity. Shop online with ease. Many online retailers integrate directly with PayPal, allowing you to check out quickly and securely without entering your credit card details each time. Greater payment flexibility. With a linked bank account, you can choose to fund your PayPal transactions directly from your bank balance, offering a budget-conscious option compared to credit cards. Build your credit history. Some PayPal credit products, when used responsibly, can help build your credit score. Navigating the options. Different account types and their needs. While a personal PayPal account doesn't require a bank account, other types, like Premier and business accounts, often have mandatory linking for enhanced features and transaction limits. It's always best to check the specific requirements of your chosen account type before signing up. Alternative solutions. Exploring beyond bank accounts. For those uncomfortable with linking a bank account, PayPal offers alternative funding options. Debit cards. A convenient and widely accepted option, though some debit cards may have daily spending limits. Prepaid cards. These offer more control over your spending, but may involve reload fees. PayPal balance. If you receive funds through PayPal, you can use that balance for subsequent transactions. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to link a bank account to your PayPal comes down to your individual needs and preferences. If you primarily plan to receive funds, a bank account isn't essential. However, for regular senders, online shoppers, and those seeking advanced features, linking a bank account unlocks the full potential of the PayPal platform. Remember, choosing the right funding method depends on your budget, transaction frequency, and desired level of convenience. Be sure to explore all the options and pick the one that best suits your financial lifestyle and PayPal usage. As technology evolves, the relationship between PayPal and bank accounts is likely to become even more flexible. Emerging solutions like real-time account verification and secure payment gateways could eliminate the need for traditional bank linking altogether. In the future, users might have access to an even wider range of funding options, offering greater control and personalization for their online financial experiences. So, whether you choose to link your bank account now or explore alternative solutions later, remember that PayPal is constantly innovating to make online payments smoother, safer, and more accessible for everyone.